On December 8, 2025, at around 12:30 a.m., West Valley Patrol Division officers responded to a radio call for a man with a gun in the 18,900 block of Sherman Way. The initial caller reported that two individuals were arguing nearby and one of them was firing his gun. An additional caller described the suspect as a male Hispanic transient with long hair, wearing no shirt and black pants, possibly under the influence of narcotics.
Oh, shoot, partner.
What?
That might have been a gunshot.
Sounds like a BB gun.
Well, just careful, okay? Watch your eyes.
West Bay, 10-3, you call 189. Sherman Way stop. Also shooting occurred. Pure one gunshot. Also something no Hispanic long hair.
Hey, partner. Hey, sir, you hear that?
Yeah, can I see you?
Got it. Get the, you have the keys, partner.
Ooh!
What's up?
Right
Where?
there?
Let me get it back up. Look at my chest. Where is he at?
Hey,
Where is he at?
stand by. Where?
Hey, bro. Where?
Where?
Get cover.
87, gunfire. Suspect shooter over direction. Have units respond eastbound from Vanelden.
Get back over here.
Back!
Where is he at?
Stand by.
He's
Where?
right there.
Where?
Where?
Oh, get it. 37, officer needs help. Shots fired. Suspect shooter in our direction. Have units respond eastbound from Vanelden. Sir,
Yes.
come this way. Come, get behind the car.
Officer needs Al 189.
Get behind the car.
Al 189.
Partner.
Way, shots fired.
Hey, pat him down real quick. Just pat him down. One of you guys just pat him down. Where is he? 10-6-7. Have the units respond eastbound. We have 2 shots fired from the suspect. Our officers. We don't have eyes on the suspect. We believe he's hiding between the vehicles, between our location and the apartment complex. Let me get under shit.
There's someone. Do you see that up there? There's someone running into this street. Do you see that over there?
What
light is that? Is that Yolanda?
No. 10-6-7. We might have had a suspect. Another shot fire. We might have the suspect eastbound of our location. The light just east from Vanelden. Have units hold short. I believe it's going to be Wilbur. Suspect might be hiding between the bushes. It'll be on the south side of the street. Officers are taking cover right now. Hey, Sanchez, get behind the car. Get him behind the car.
Here, please have 2 minutes. That's going to be Sherman Way and Wilbur. He's going to that area.
Get information on the suspect. Okay, but get behind the car.
Unit 2 crossing Sherman and Wilbur. Suspect is possible suspect eastbound location, east of Van Alden. Hold short Wilbur. Officers are taking cover
Do you see anything?
on the south side of the street.
10-6-7, be advised, we do not have eyes on the suspect. We had at least 3 shots fired at officer's direction. We're going to have the victim with us. Do not have the units respond on the small street of Wilbur. Correction, on small street of Sherman Way. Have units take cover and see if they can get helmets. We don't know where the suspect's hiding. Have units block eastbound Vanelden. Do not respond eastbound on the little side street.
After firing his handgun at officers and the victim, Canizales fled the location on foot and ultimately arrived at a nearby convenience store in the 18,800 block of Sherman Way.
Grab one of your shots and use it as cover.
Raj. Wait up! Wait up! Isaiah! Isaiah! Use cover! Use cover! Isaiah, use cover! He's got a gun! He's got a gun! He's got a gun! He's got a gun!
He just loaded a magazine, guys. He's got the gun in his right hand. He just loaded a magazine.
He's got a gun!
Everybody else, hold the air. Black and white coming westbound. Use caution. Right off your right hand side. Hey, all you going westbound on Sherman Way. Stop, stop, stop. The suspect is
98 shots fired! 21 98 shots fired!
Sherman Way and Wolf.
Wait up! Wait up!
Move to the shop. Move to the shop.
He's got a gun! He's got a gun! He's got a gun!
Don't move. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down.
He's got a gun!
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
21x98 shots fired! 21x98 shots fired!
Airship, I got the victim. He's saying the suspect was at the. He should have no shirt, long hair.
Yeah, air 10. Everybody hold the air. I got the air. I got the suspect now.
Whoa, hey, hold on. Let's go. Hey, time it up. Come on. Give me two bodies.
Grab one of your shots and use it as cover.
Wait, hold on. We're gonna use your car as cover. Hold it right there. Wait. Get off. Hold on. What's he got? Hold right there.
Just loaded the magazine, guys. He's got the gun in his right hand. He just loaded a magazine.
He's got a gun, bro. Pop. Take him, bro. Take him.
Hold the air. Black and white coming.
Galvez.
Use caution. Right off your right hand side. Hey, all you westbound on Sherman Way. Stop, stop, stop. The suspect doesn't.
Hold.
Canizales was struck by gunfire, fell to the ground, and after the arrival of additional officers was subsequently taken into custody without further incident. Paramedics responded and pronounced Canizales deceased. Investigators recovered Canizales' loaded handgun with a makeshift suppressor, a high-capacity magazine, as well as a box of ammunition at scene and booked them all as evidence. Additionally, multiple discharge casings from Canizales' handgun were recovered along his footpath and also booked as evidence.